Hello YouTube, this is Bonnie from Dragon Soap. Welcome to another soaping adventure. Today we are going to give Rain Orchid another shot since I messed it up last time by using, I was out of whipping cream, so I thought, oh, yogurt works well in soap, I'll use yogurt, and I forgot that I had the yogurt with vanilla in it, so it turned brown, and the soap, this design really sort of requires the background to be white. So the soap was perfectly fine, it works really well, it smells awesome as usual, but didn't really look very good, so that was disappointing. So today, I've got my liquid oils in here, and I've melted my hard oils, coconut butter and cocoa butter, coconut oil and cocoa butter. So, let's get started, since we've, already started. Oh my, it's been raining all day. It's nice for fall to finally arrive. Okay, let's put in our silk and sodium lactate and fragrance oil. And cream. Last time I made this soap, I made soap bars, and by that I mean I cut them into rectangular bars that I wrap in paper, and I do an in-the-pot swirl. But today, let's do soap slices with an in-the-pot swirl and a layer of pink and a layer of white on top of that and a textured top. Why don't we do that? That sounds like fun. So that's what we'll do. I use, don't know if you can see this. This is ultramarine pink dispersed in glycerin, and I put a lotion, a flip top on top of it just so it's easier to do. I forgot to get out my my pictures for doing the colors. Okay, so the oils are all in here. We need to add the lye water. Okay, here we go. It's discoloring again. Oh, is it the cocoa butter? I didn't use cocoa butter last time. Okay, that's thick enough. So we'll pour some off for the pink. And then I'll add some titanium dioxide to what's left. Then I'll pour some off for the top. Ugh. I don't know if you can see that. It is starting to thicken up. Okay. I'm going to pour off a little bit for the top. Leave the rest in there. Put some hope you can see what I'm doing here. I know I have a terrible time keeping the action in the camera's face. Oops. Cavitating again. A little more pink. Okay. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Now let's use our we'll pour some of this in here in a couple of places. And we'll just give it swirl. Pour it into the mold. Little drat. Come on. It's funny, when I first started soaping this fragrance, I didn't like it out of the bottle at all. I thought it smelled a lot better. It does morph a little bit from the lye, and I thought that smelled a lot better. And I still do, but I'm liking it out of the bottle more than I used to. Okay, so we'll there's the in the pot swirl. I don't think that works at getting down air bubbles, but it helps even out the top. This is too thick for pounding it to do anything for the air bubbles. Okay. So now we have a nice is not intended to completely cover. I just want to put dollops. Dollops would work better if it was a little bit smoother. So we'll whip it up a little bit. Ugh. My hand cramps up when I start doing a lot of stirring with a spoon. And that looks like it's just about the end of that. Oh, well, it kind of messed up the dollops, didn't I? That's okay. What if I... Oh. Do little dollops or little doohickey thingies in the... Okay, now okay, let's put a few sugar pearls on here. A few more and then we'll douse it with some glitter. Okay. I finally decided to brave a salt shaker on my glitter, and it works much better than doing it with my fingers. To see where I've got glitter and where I haven't. I'm probably putting on about 3 times as much as I think I am, but no, stay down. Down. I'm teaching the kittens to stay down and get out, and it's really amazing what a squirt bottle will do. So lots of glitter and some pearls and pink and white, and that's it. That was pretty quick soap, huh? I hope that's in the... Doody. It's never going to focus if I do that, right? Okay, I hope you got to see that. We'll do a cutting video. I'll probably cut this tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching. Bye!